my dear friends, welcome back to your channel. Today's tutorial is how to draw a fresh and delicious broccoli. To draw broccoli, use curved line for the flower on the head and use a straight line for the stem.
There, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Did you know that broccoli is very powerful? Let me tell you the reason. Because it always fights diseases and wins. It has a lot of vitamin, and broccoli is the healthiest vegetable.
There, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a
Use a green color to show that this broccoli is very fresh. Use a lighter color for the stem. Thank you to all of you who stayed until the end of this video. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you again. See you soon.